Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Chad Williams Fixes All. In this episode, we're going to be removing the taillight assembly on this Ford F-150. Let's get to it. Tools needed for this video is a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, an extension, and an 8mm. The two light bulbs that are in this housing is a 3156 for the reverse light and a 3157K for the turn signal and brake light. So the first thing you're going to want to do to replace the tail light assembly or change those light bulbs is to open the tailgate right here. So open the tailgate and you're going to have two bolts right here on the side, and let's go ahead and get close up and I'll show you what size they are. So using your 1/4-inch drive ratchet with the 8mm on there, you're going to be taking out these two bolts. This one right here and this one right here. So let's go ahead and remove those. Now to remove the assembly, we're just going to go ahead and grasp it right here and on the top and bottom and pull directly out. Might be a little tough to do, but it's going to pop out of the clips there, and then you're just going to pull it straight out. Taking a look at the clips, we can see that there's one on the bottom. There's supposed to be one on the top. It looks like this one actually broke off and it's missing from in there, so it looks like someone's been in here before. And then there's one on the top as well, on the very back side, and nothing on the bottom, it seems. But go ahead and just pull it straight out and you should have pretty good success. So the bottom bulb here is a 3156. This is the one that controls the reverse lights. And the top bulb here is a 3157K. This is what controls the brake lights and turn signal. So go ahead and spin to the left and pull it out. You can see that this bulb right here, if you need to replace it, just pull it straight out. Again, 3156, and just reinstall your new bulb. Once it's reinstalled, put it in there, spin it to the right. And then the top bulb, same way, turn it to the left, pull it out, replace it, 3157K, reinstall it. And then spin to the right. So to reinstall the taillight assembly, it's just a reverse process. Make sure you got these tabs lined up all the way around. And also the wire loom tucked in. And then once everything's lined up, just going to push it in. You should hear it snap in. And then you can reinstall those two bolts. And then just go ahead and reinstall these two bolts. It's actually threaded plastic. It's not even got a metal U-clip. And there we go. The light assembly is now reinstalled. So there you go. That is how you remove and replace the taillight assembly, whether if you're working on the bulbs or the actual assembly on this F-150. If this video helped you at all, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, also check my other videos. I got a whole bunch out there. But until next time, thanks for watching.